Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 10 common candlestick patterns that you should be able to identify as a forex trader. And by now, you should know that you're not supposed to enter trades based off these candlestick patterns alone. Okay, you need a trading plan, you need a risk management plan, you need a coherent trading strategy. So please do not enter any trade just because you see some of the candlestick patterns we will be discussing today on your chart. Okay, so without any further ado, let's begin the video. First off, we have the hammer. The hammer is a bullish reversal pattern that forms at the bottom of a downtrend, and it's very easy to identify. It has a small body and a long lower wick, indicating that sellers pushed down the price but buyers stepped in and pushed it back up. This pattern suggests that a reversal may be on the horizon. Okay, next we have the doji. The doji is a neutral pattern that forms when the open and close prices are almost the same. It indicates indecision in the market and a potential reversal. Next up, we have the shooting star. The shooting star is a bearish reversal pattern that forms at the top of a trend. If you want to identify it, it has a small body and a longer upper wick, indicating that buyers pushed down the price after sellers stepped in and pushed it back down. This pattern suggests that a reversal may be imminent. Engulfing pattern, probably one of my favorite patterns just because of the name. I just really like the name so much. The engulfing pattern is a reversal pattern that occurs when a small candle is completely engulfed by a larger candle in the opposite direction. A bullish engulfer pattern is when a small bearish candle is followed by a larger bearish candle and vice versa for a bearish engulfing pattern. Spinning top. The spinning top is a neutral pattern that occurs when the body is small and the wicks are long. It indicates indecision in the market. Morning star. The morning star is a bullish reversal pattern that forms at the bottom of a downtrend. It consists of a very long bearish candle followed by a small candle with a lower body that gaps down, and then a long bullish candle that gaps up. This pattern indicates that buyers have control and a reversal is very likely. Evening star. The evening star is a bearish reversal pattern that forms at the top of an uptrend. It consists of a long bullish candle followed by a small candle with a higher body that gaps up, and then a long bearish candle that gaps down. This pattern indicates that sellers have taken control and a reversal is likely. Hanging man. The hanging man is a bearish reversal pattern that forms at the top of an uptrend. It is a small body and lower wick, indicating that buyers tried to push the price up but they were unsuccessful. This pattern suggests that a reversal may be on the horizon. Inverted hammer. The inverted hammer is a bullish reversal pattern that forms at the bottom of a downtrend. It has a small body and a long upper wick, indicating that sellers pushed down the price but buyers stepped in and pushed it back up. This pattern suggests that a reversal may be imminent. Tweezer tops and bottoms. Tweezer tops and bottoms occur when one or more candlesticks have matching highs or lows. The highs are known as the tweezer tops while the lows are the tweezer bottoms. They indicate potential reversal in the direction of the trend, as buyers or sellers may be unable to push the price beyond previous highs or lows. By understanding these common patterns, you can identify potential trends, reversals, and trading opportunities in the forex market. So be sure to study them carefully and incorporate them into your trading strategy. And again, you could just use these as confirmations for whatever trading strategy you might be using. You cannot and you should not use these alone to determine whether you should buy or sell any currency pair. Please do not use these alone to trade, right? Create a trading strategy, study more before trading, okay? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more forex tips and tricks. So see you next time.